Hi and welcome to the very difficult walk around of the Porsche 911 964 Turbo with the X33 option, power option, WLS, 35 horsepower more than the standard turbo. Why is this such a difficult video for me? Well, I like sugary things, and this car is ready for Essen. And if you come to visit us on our stand in Essen, you might get one of these, but I'm a little bit hungry, so it's gonna be very difficult for me to not eat those before the show. Okay, back to the car. 911 turbo doesn't need any introduction. In 1975, they made the first turbo, a 3.3, like this one, and quickly it was called the Widowmaker, because all of a sudden you would drive normally with a 3.3 six-cylinder, which is good engine, gives you whatever 250 horsepower, it's good to drive, and then you're in the rain and then you say, like, I want to go faster, and at about 4,000 RPM you get a boost, and all the power that projects you to more than 300 horsepower comes on your rear wheels and whack, dead. The Widowmaker. This is not the Widowmaker, this is better. This is the new model. After the 3.3 comes a new 3.3, which was very special because the normal 964 has a 3.6, completely different engine. And the turbo, still today, you have to imagine, we are 2026, this car is from 1992, a turbo, for those who don't know this, works on the intake of your engine and helps you, an outcome, and helps you to go faster. It's a rotation device, it's mechanical, okay? Nothing to do with electric. Imagine what Porsche chose as a name for the electric cars that are the top of the range. Well, guess what? Turbo. Turbo is such a powerful name. Well, this is the reason. The 964 with a turbo is such a fast and good car. It makes you feel like you're a race pilot even if you don't have the skills. So the color is midnight blue, the color sticker is there, original carpets, and this is the original option sticker, which shows that the car hasn't been in an accident. Really incredible find, because highly original. You have good seats with a good backrest, a lot of lateral support. This one has the sliding roof, has grey interior. It has two sets of wheels. These are the original ones, but it also has the 3.6 look-alike, because they're not original, wheels that come with this car. It also has 146,000 kilometers and a really good history. So a tremendous opportunity for the most wanted car today in the classic car market. An unmolested 3.3 964 turbo with the X33 option. If you want it, come and find us. We have several others. We're very proud of our 964 offerings today. We have RS, we have Speedster, we have normal 3.3. We're still preparing that. And we have the 3.6 in the back. Thank you.